Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so very excited to review the Hiigge Snowball Pet Fountain. This fountain is so very gorgeous. I absolutely love that you can separate the head from the fountain and go charge it or go clean it separately, so there is no need to carry with you the entire fountain. Also, I absolutely love the beautiful, aesthetic, clean, minimalistic design of this fountain too. Well guys, let's get started with a detailed review because I cannot wait to tell you all the possible information, and there is a lot to say about this Snowball Pet Fountain. Well, let's get started. So the Hiigge Snowball Pet Fountain, it's the innovative solution for pet hydration that combines healthy drinking style. It's easy to use and it's a great intelligence type of a fountain. Thanks to the smart application, it can track everything about your pet, how many times it drinks today, and even it can measure the TDS of the water. My baby cat definitely drinks way more water now than ever. So guys, Hiigge is engineered with a 4-layer bacteriostatic filtration system, and it has a built-in TDS water tester. So through the smart application, you will be able to not just manage the hydration of your cats from anywhere at any time, but also with the intelligent feature like the TDS water quality monitoring, you will be able to track the quality of the water that your beloved pets are drinking. You will have a 24/7 hydration tracking as well as smart reminders, all that through the smart application to manage your pet's hydration, and it was never been easy like that before. Also, through the smart application, you will be able to choose from 3 water flow modes. So you have the continuous mode. This one can be only used while it's plugged to a charger, and this one is just offering a steady and uninterrupted stream of water. Then you have the intermittent mode. This one will provide a 10-second flow of water every 15 minutes, and this can be customized. Then you have the sensor mode. It will automatically dispense water when your pet is detected within 2 inches of range. And of course that you have the do not disturb mode, so you can turn off the indicator light and lower the water dispensing frequency to minimize any type of a sound. Also, through the smart application, you will have all different types of reminders and notifications, like if the water TDS is high, it's gonna alert you about it because you need to know, to change the water or anything like that. But you also have different notifications like filter replacement reminder, full battery reminder, water refill reminder, water change reminder, or low battery alert, and so very on. So this fountain is also crafted from baby safe Tritan type of a material and from a durable ABS material as well. The Snowball ensures that your pet drinks the purest, safest water possible. It also comes with an eco-friendly filter, with an integrated water pump, and with a waterfall flow. So it's made of a baby safe Tritan, as I said. So Hiigge is the first brand to apply this baby safe material to the water fountain, because our pets are our babies, right? So we're giving our best to our babies, all these baby safe materials for our babies, bottles, toys, whatever. But what about our pets? Aren't they our babies too? I think so. So this is why Hiigge thinks the same as I do, and they came out to be the first brand to use baby safe materials in the water fountains for our baby pets. So it's made of a cutting-edge material. Tritan is the next generation of BPA-free plastic, which was renowned for its safety and durability. Also, it's eco-friendly and safe, so it's certified by US FDA, US EFSA, and Global Food Contact Safety agencies. Tritan is commonly used in baby bottles and drinking cups, so it is from now on also used for our pets. It is all about non-toxic and it's odorless. So Tritan is a non-toxic and odorless type of a material, so it's guaranteed that your pet's drinking water is clean and free of any possible harmful chemicals. Hiigge water fountain is dishwasher safe thanks to the Tritan material it's used with. It's also naturally bacteriostatic type of a material as well, and it provides an impact-resistant, durable, long-lasting type of a product. This fountain also can be used in 2 ways, with the cord being connected to the cord all the time. And by the way, the head is removable, the pump itself is removable, and you can take it out and charge it separately from the fountain. So there is no need to carry the entire fountain from place to place. You can simply just take out the robotic type look of a head, which by the way, I love it. It looks super cool and stylish. You can just simply take it out and recharge it and bring it back to your fountain. I absolutely love this function. Of course, that you can also recharge it once it's inside the fountain, so whatever works for you. And you can use this fountain as just constantly connected to the electricity, or you can use it wireless, whatever, it's up to you. I absolutely love the cordless design. I think it adds so many options to this fountain to be used with. Also, this one is an IPX7 waterproof, and it's easy to clean. It works with a 4-layer filtration system, which is offering up to 99% of bacteriostatic efficiency. 4 layers. You have the PP cotton layer, that's the first layer. Then you have the antibacterial cotton. Then you have the coconut shell and activated carbon and ion exchange resin type of a layer. This is the mixed layer. And then underneath you have the PP cotton again. So the bacteriostatic cotton is made from a high efficiency bacteriostatic material, which is effectively inhibiting E. coli. E. coli is the most common bacteria that lives basically everywhere, as well as it takes care of Staphylococcus aureus and Candida albicans. These are commonly encountered by cats, so it is all about preventing your cats drinking water with these bacteria, which you really don't want it to happen. Then the coconut shell is gonna effectively absorb odors and colors caused by food residues. Then the ion exchange resin is gonna soften the water. It's reducing the harm of metal ions to pets and preventing the formation of stones. This specially designed ion ratio also lowers the salt content in the water by making the water more appealing to cats. It is a cordless pump and unibody design, which makes the diassembly and cleaning effortless. The waterfall flow, that's the main thing of this fountain that I absolutely love. So it runs away any fur, while the integrated filtration system captures any remaining debris, ensuring your pet always has access to fresh and, what's more important, clean water. So the battery can be used for up to 120 days on one full charge. This is an extra long battery life. So Snowball frees your hands from charging worries. So the 120 days battery life allows a flexible placement, as well as it eliminates any type of cables. I hate cables. And it prevents chewing risks for pets, because we all know that cats loves chewing on cables. So it's actually safer for your pets to have a wireless fountain. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. What do you think about this pet fountain? Do you have any pets? How do they drink water? Like from what? From a bowl, from a fountain, from the sink, from the toilet? I don't know. Let me know down below. Let's discuss it. Let's talk about it. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I highly recommend you guys to check out this Hiigge Snowball pet fountain. All of the links are going to be down below in the description box of this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like discount codes, coupon codes, sales, promotions, every possible way to save some money. Right now, the fountain is launched at Indiegogo, and you are welcome to go back them up. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. Be so very sure to check Hiigge Snowball pet fountain, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.